We also see in men 1,300% increase in testosterone just from somewhere between a 13 to 15 hour fast.
There's nothing anabolic about fasting. It's not going to supercharge your testosterone levels. In fact, most research shows that fasting either lowers or doesn't impact your testosterone. It's true that growth hormone does go up in response to fasting, but this is a short-lived increase and the total impact is not anabolic. It's a stress response as part of our body's survival mechanism, and it's not going to cause muscle growth. Sleep deprivation can also cause growth hormone to increase, but no one's pulling all-nighters hoping to get jacked. At least I hope not. A good analogy I read from Alan Aragon is that growth hormone elevations during fasting are like the emergency lights of a building popping on when the main power goes out. So if you want to use fasting as a weight loss tool, be my guest. But if you're fasting in the hopes of building muscle, then you might be disappointed with the results. Eat 3 to 5 servings of high quality protein like meat, fish, eggs or dairy, spread across the day instead, and you'll be much better off. DM me the word quiz and I'll send you a free personalized insight into your diet and how to improve it for better results.